Testing, testing, 1 2 1 2. Is the lighting good? Yes, no. Hello everybody, and welcome and welcome. Welcome and welcome. Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naomi, and I'm actually pretty new to YouTube as well, so this is going to be an experience for both of us. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Today I will be doing an unboxing, which is going to be the first I've ever done. I'm excited because whatever I purchased means a lot. Well, I mean, I'm really excited about it, you know, because I spent lots of money on it. And yeah, let's just get started. So I got this big old box, and let's just cut it open and see what's inside. Mind you, I had this box sitting in my room for like a week now. I wanted to shoot this unboxing video, but I just didn't have the time. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna have to wait till I get myself together. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay, so maybe I should explain. Should I explain? Guys, I got my first designer bag. I've never really been the person to spend lots of money on designer materials, bags, clothes, shoes. This is like my first ever designer purchase, and I'm excited, y'all. Do you see that? It says Prada. Yeah. I got a Prada bag, and look how perfect it looks. It's just the bag itself, but like, come on. Come on. I mean, I'm sure you guys all know, but this bag has been so trendy, and I had my eye on the bag for a while now, but it was just like, do I really want to spend that much money on this sort of bag? Like, it's trendy. Is it going to stay on trend for a couple of years now, from now? And if so, like, am I going to get tired of it? Is it really worth it? You know, but I was just like, look, why not, you know? If it just so happens that I don't want the bag anymore, I can always resell it, which is good. So let me stop talking and show you the bag, because that's what we're here for, right? Oh my gosh. I can't believe it's real. Like, I really have this. It looks so tiny. Oh my gosh. I don't know why on YouTube videos it looks a lot bigger, but maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Yeah, this is the bag. This is the bag I decided to get. So it's the Prada Nylon re-edition 2005. I know I butchered that so badly, but I got the Prada re-edition 2005 nylon bag. I'm sure you guys seen this all over Instagram, all over, you know, whatever you're looking at on social media. I mean, look at it. You can see it for yourself. It's a lot smaller than I thought. But I mean, hey, it's still cute. So let me just get to unwrapping everything. I already ripped off the little wrapping paper that was attached to the little pocket. And yeah, let's just get rid of all of this right here. So, I mean, should I do a detail review? I guess so. So the bag comes with, you know, this shoulder strap, which is really cool. I love the silver hardware on it. And as you can see, it comes with a little pocket. Yeah, pouch. That's the word I'm looking for. Comes with the pouch. And it says Prada on it. Can you see? Has a little, excuse my nail, that's disgusting, but it says Prada on the little zipper chain. Has Prada on the bag. And this little thing right here says Prada Reedition 2005. I guess it's like a keychain. And yeah, so far so good. I don't see any damages. I mean, Prada would never, right? They wouldn't do that. I'm just unzipping the bag to see what's inside. Comes with the Prada dust bag. Cute. What else is inside? Some more tissue paper. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's a little chain. This must be the chain, yeah. Yes. Okay, so this is the chain. Okay, so they had this thing wrapped on the bag for some reason. I'm just gonna take this off. There we go. That's cute though. Let's see what else is in here. More tissue paper. And, oh yeah, it comes with the card. Some information, I'm assuming, about the bag, how to take care of it, and the authenticity certification card, which is cool. Yep. It's the real deal, you feel me? So let's start looking into this bag. I mean, it's pretty simple. It doesn't have any zippers inside of the bag. It does say Prada in the inside. There aren't no pockets, like I said, but I mean, seems pretty spacious inside for the most part. I mean, I think that with the wallet, my phone, which I'm actually using to record this video, so I can't really you know, show you guys, but I mean, hey, it's a bag, right? Let's go ahead and attach everything and try it on. Did I do this right? And then we're gonna go ahead and attach the chain to the bag. I say we as if you guys are doing this. And there we are. So cool. So let me actually put it on. Yeah, this is the bag. Ta-da. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. Cute. It's very simple, it's very chic. Can go with anything. I mean, they say that you can customize it to your liking. So if I didn't want the chain, I can take the chain off. Just have it like that. Or if I want the chain to hang on one side, I can attach it like that. You know, I can attach it like this. But I like the chain. It's cute. Again, this is the little pouch. Let's see what's inside. Some more paper. It says Prada Milano on the inside, of course. It's really cute, and I think that I can fit like my AirPods in there. So I got my AirPods and it fits perfectly inside the pouch. So I shot this on another day, but as you can see here, I didn't really include or demonstrate how you can really use this bag in other ways. So clearly you can see that the strap of the bag can be used as a belt, and I think it's really cool if you have like a simple outfit and you just want to, you know, spice it up a bit, you know, just add the strap in the little pouch and it looks really cute. Super cool, very simple. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't demonstrate that in the video, but this is the wonders of editing, right? You can kind of include things and out whenever you can. Here you can see me using the pouch and, you know, just hooking that onto the jean. And as you can see here, you can see the little chain I attached to it in the pouch to just make it look really cool and edgy. And yeah, I mean, there's so much you can do with this bag. It's so versatile. On with the video. So if I didn't want the strap, I can take the strap off, of course. And now it's a handbag. It's a cute little handbag. While I'm going to get my groceries, you feel me? Like, it's just so cute and simple. Makes it look dainty. You know, if you're going for a night out, which we can't really do that during this pandemic, but let's just hope things will get better. Okay, but I mean, I'm very pleased with this bag, and I still can't believe that I spent about $1,400 or so on it. But you know, sometimes we gotta make sacrifices for the things that we want, right? Never again will I purchase a designer bag. I'm joking. I mean, we never know what the future holds, but for right now, it's gonna be a while before I buy another designer bag. But I think it's a good purchase for my first designer bag. And I think that I'm gonna have a lot of rare. Why can't I say rare? A lot of rare. I'm gonna wear this a lot. I mean, that's pretty much it. Nothing special for you guys, but for me, it's a pretty big deal. I'm very grateful that I can, you know, be able to afford my first designer bag. I mean, like I mentioned before, I'm not really the type of person to spend a lot of money on designer bags and clothing and things like that. But you know what? Sometimes you gotta treat yourself, right? I feel like I worked really hard and I deserve, you know, to spoil myself and splurge every now and then. If you like this video, please like and comment some positive feedback. I know this video is a little all over the place. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean, who is these days? Again, I'm fairly new to YouTube, so I'm still trying to adjust with being on camera and giving you decent commentary. Just give me some positive feedback and criticism on things that you think I can do better on. Is the sound okay? Is the quality okay? Things like that. And yeah, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe and stay positive, and I'll see you soon. Bye.